Studies show that men over the age of 50, almost 100% of them will have trouble with their intimacy, sexual satisfaction, erection firmness, or durability. It's a real problem, yet a lot of men are afraid to face that and talk to the doctor about it. Yet here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, we're very open to improvement of sexual function. In fact, it's one of our specialties. Durability and maintenance of erections, in fact, achieving erections is something that we see quite frequently. And one of the techniques that we use in order to get a handle on that is something that a lot of people refer to as stem cells. Well, it's actually called the P shot, and in our instances, we don't use direct stem cells. We use something called cellular derived growth factors, because these factors are indeed what's available. Because of FDA limitations, stem cells are really less available than commonly believed. But the cellular derived growth factors are absolutely amazing, because what they do is when they're applied to people that are having erectile dysfunction, they cause the lining of the erectile tissue, or what's called the endothelium, to heal. And when this tissue heals, it produces the factors that are necessary, the chemical signals that make the erection occur. So the erections are better, durable, stronger, more longer lasting, and more likely to lead to sexual satisfaction. So using the P shot or these cellular derived growth factors is quite a remarkable way. It's virtually painless, it's easy to do, it takes just a little bit of time, yet we find that men are completely satisfied most of the time. Like any other thing, it requires your body to heal, but if your body takes to it and heals properly, it can give you an amazing result in terms of restoring or rejuvenating that sexual function that you thought was long lost. So this is Dr. John. If that's something that interests you, you need to give us a call. We can schedule in a consultation and have you see if cellular derived growth factors or the P shot is good for you.